So this summer, my Toshiba external drive stopped working from one moment to the next, and the driver was no longer readable, so were the files in it. It contained the archive of all my photos and my work resources, which I had wanted to go back up on cloud, and it appeared to be all gone. So I came across Remo Recovery thanks to the positive reviews online, and I decided to install it. The program immediately managed to kind of create a picture of my drive. That was great because it meant it existed, it could see it. However, my situation was so compromised that actually I had to reach out to the customer service for help in retrieving my data. The assistance I received was truly beyond expectations. Their developer literally dedicated hours to help me recover and debug the files, so we eventually managed to recover the lost partition, the lost files. I managed to actually recover my files, my photos, and all of the information that I thought I had lost forever. I could not stress how special the team behind Remo Recovery has been in making this program do its magic, and I strongly invite people to try it out. Thank you.